guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing one of these like YouTube challenges. I am so stinking excited. I don't know what it is about these, but I love doing them. I love when people host them. It's like super exciting. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's a lot of work, so I probably never host one ever, but I like joining these. This one is hosted by Yami from Latina next door and Jessica from Measure and Mix. So make sure that if you're not subscribed to them, you go and check out their channel since they're gonna be the ones hosting this. Yami is the one who I think started all of this, so she does them on her channel. But this is the Christmas Look for Less challenge. So you have to find something that is like super expensive and then you have to try to recreate it for like way less. So I love doing that stuff already. I was so stoked that this was even a challenge. I will leave Yami and Jessica's channel, like I said, in the links in the description box below, along with a playlist from all these wonderful people who are going to be doing this challenge. So I am just going to get started. Okay, so this is what I decided to recreate. It is by LTD Commodities, and I think they sometimes have the cutest little Christmas stuff. And I am just going to purchase things from the Dollar Tree, and then I did have to get a little handle from eBay, but I just picked up two 8x10 frames and then two of these really cute bags. Like, Dollar Tree is really stepping up on their bags. Like, they have the cutest ones for Christmas. And then I am just going to cut these down to an 8x10, and then I am just going to stick these bags right into the frames. I did end up spray painting these frames just with a white spray paint, and even though it didn't fully just do the effect of just white, the little gold kind of shone through. I really liked the way that turned out. And then I just did end up hot gluing the two frames together, and I did end up doing this twice because I just did not add enough glue. And then to secure the frames just a little bit more, I did just end up using some painter's tape. I don't know why I used painter's tape. I probably could have done some duct tape, but I used painter's tape. And then the last thing I had to do was just glue this little drawer pull on, and I just used some E6000 and hot glue. And I'm just going to let you know just from experience, because everything was so shiny and glossy, this did not end up sticking. So we just ended up using super glue, but we did have to hold it with a little E6000 tube. And that is it for my video, you guys. So this is what mine looks like compared to the one I tried. It's a little bit different, but I absolutely love it. And this one only cost me $5 versus $20. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!